Welcome to this session on assessment of training needs. What is meant by training needs assessment? Training needs assessment is the process used to determine if training is necessary. It helps to identify the gap between the knowledge, skills of an individual to perform a given particular task. To understand it better, we have a framework of needs assessment. It starts with job analysis, training analysis, performance analysis, knowledge, skills and abilities, and organization development. All these 5 important components build up the needs assessment, which will help us in identifying the training needs. Compiling all these 5, we can categorize the basic needs assessment into 3 categories. That is organization analysis. It is a process of determining the business appropriateness of training. Here, the environment, the strategies, and the sources to determine where to emphasize training will be focused. And the second one is task analysis. It is the process of identifying the tasks, knowledge, skills, and behavior that need to be emphasized in training. Here, the activities needed to be performed in order to determine the KSAs needed where to emphasize training will be focused on. And the third category is person analysis. It is a process for determining whether employees need training, who needs training, and whether employees are ready for training. So here, the performance, knowledge, and skills in order to determine who needs training is highlighted. And based on this, we can have the process of training needs assessment. So training needs assessment, we have two important phases. The first one is organization analysis and the next one is individual analysis. In organization analysis, we have the organizational goals, objectives, knowledge, skills, inventory, organizational climate, efficacy indices, and current and projected changes. Coming to individual analysis, we have performance analysis, interviews, questionnaires, superior subordinate feedback, rating scales, which you can know whether the individual's performance is good, excellent, or he needs any improvement. So here is a small example which will help us to understand the need and importance or how you can use training needs analysis, and here we have a matrix called training needs analysis matrix. Here you can see that there are 3 important elements taken for assessment, that is job analysis, trainee analysis, training needs assessment. So in job analysis again we have 2 categories, that is must do and the individual could do. In trainee analysis, we have either the individual can do, partly do, or cannot do. And in training needs assessment, we have 2 important categories, that is whether training is needed and the other one is whether training is the topmost priority right now. Here, let us take the example of task 1. The individual here, he has to do it, that is he must do it and he can do it, and in some cases it could be partly do, he is able to do it. In that case, you can see there is no need of any training need here. Coming to task 2, the individual must do and could do are there, but here they are partly doing, partly they are able to do. Again, we can say that these individuals need not be given any training. Coming to the third category or the third task, we say that individual could do, but he cannot do. In that case here, this individual comes under the category where training is needed, but it is not a priority right now. Coming to task 4 also, you can find the same thing, that is he could do and he cannot do, and therefore we kept him under the training needed category. Coming to task 5 here, the individual could do and he can do, so that in that case there is no need of any training need here. Coming to task 6 here, the individual must do and is partly able to do. In that case, we can say the individual needs training, but it is not the topmost priority. The last category, you can come to a conclusion where we say that here the Job analysis says that the individual must do the task and he cannot do. In that case, we can say the individual needs the training as well as it is the topmost priority.